Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on customization, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to prefer device font, photos here. So then you click in this sign or this color, like you see color is gone, that's me prefer device photos disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.